Hi, this is Travis Combs with T1V, showing you the T1V ThinkHub collaboration platform. We're on the Avocor L Series 105/21.9 display. Excited to show you what we can do with that. Here on the welcome screen, we're highlighting the calendar integration feature we have as we work with multiple video conferencing platforms, allowing you to use a one-touch join meeting experience. So here I'm going to come into our canvas and show you our main menu structure here. It gives me tools to organize as I pull content into ThinkHub. Now notice I've got the use of an active stylus here, so I can easily interact with my display, flip the pen to simply erase the content. Makes for a very natural user interaction here. Now within ThinkHub, I'm going to pull in content from my onboard sources here. So I have the ability to pull in web browsing windows, notes, and sketches. These are ways that I can start acquiring content within the ThinkHub application here. Once I start building that out, I want to keep that organized. So I'm going to pull in groups. And these group headers allow me to drag and drop my content to easily organize it within the content. I move into my media tray here. So that's content I'm accessing off of my network, either locally or in the cloud. And it gives me the ability to easily select folders from that structure, pull up images, documents out of that, and then to work inside of those as well. Any piece of content at any point along the way, I have the ability to easily take that full screen and use that as a presentation. Backing out of that, I'll now move over to my device tray here. Devices are connected into our system, either USB or HDMI. Here I've got a camera that I can use as an example. So I'm able to pull that content up out of the system here. And it's now yet another piece of active content. Same attributes, I can easily select those. We can pull up our camera operator here, easily see and snip an image of that. And now I can do away with that, and I have my annotated content. Once we've joined with the video conferencing platform, keep in mind, I'm doing a content share over that. This viewable canvas is what's being shared with our far-end participants, so I can easily engage those individuals now as part of this. And last, but certainly not least, is our ability to connect to this remotely. So using the T1V software, it now gives me the opportunity as a remote or hybrid person to easily utilize these credentials, join this session, and now actively participate. I can work with the canvas, I can annotate, I can send and post content, URLs, and others. Extremely powerful product that we believe is a true collaboration product as well. We invite you to see more. Go to t1v.com to find out more about ThinkHub.